Review free SHS policy. Pälmer-Buckle tells government. And the Sofuko ba ko friend Bishop Pälmer-Buckle enye you. I'm fanciful words in Bishop Pälmer-Buckle say review the free SHS. Now kind story now say who is the free SHS is kobo dia kon ye nkoye enti yen review na Pälmer-Buckle or Ghana. And na Mahama NDC ka say omoba power they will review free SHS. And na Pälmer-Buckle right now na MPP for say review means cancel. Wa mba bontina mbekasa. John Mahama kan ye didi na tem say from 10 year beka say free SHS no enkoye yen review 10 kwasi ampanyin John Mahama kan tafo yen kwasiafo yen akanfo edim nyansa chen wiase fo nyina oye 10 to kasa yen di na tem yen kasa opema yen kasa Mahama oye kwasi ampanyin yen kasa Mahama oye tete oye kromfo ni nwa ibra yen kasa na enko dipati mo ya kwasiafo tafo de omo ba ye dware omo ansa na omo beka nipa ho enso 10 na be si kejetia moa Mahama kan ye di na tem say pram ena software wa hye ne chese de ogigi toilet sika ewo eye Kazakhstan dwom ena ono say review no free SHS no aye beans into yen review na ma antese obi anu tia no because foot soldier baako ena beka se yen review Mahama kan dia ye di na tem mowa emne 1000.
We have suggested to Nana Akufo-Addo and his government that broader consultation with stakeholders, including the parents of the hundreds of thousands of students whose future depend on our leadership, getting this right, would help the process. These have all been ignored and rubbished as anti-government propaganda, and we have been labeled as naysayers. These are ideas that their own Minister of Finance, who knows the full truth about our fiscal state, has publicly championed. But sadly, the pettiness and insecurity of the government is evident in the absolute refusal to consider these suggestions simply because it is coming from what they think are perceived opponents. The haphazard implementation of the free SHS is causing a lot of anxiety and inconvenience to students and their parents and guardians. And as I've said on the campaign trail a few times, when we come into office, we are going to put in place the necessary measures to better the implementation of the free SHS program. I will also work hard to abolish the double track system in the shortest possible time. We will do this by investing massively in the expansion of school infrastructure, such as additional classroom blocks and dormitories, and the completion of the 200 community day senior high schools popularly known as the E-blocks that we started to enable all our children attend school at the same time and have adequate contact hours with their teachers.
Pepe ni kaza mwe 10 ni kaza asa mwe ni di na tem Mahama boa die na also obe cancel free SHS because Mahama say review and review no yeah you say teacher for no more schools na omuda schools na no headmasters they understand review but they stayed away. Yes, they didn't say anything. They allowed people to insult Mahama because he has suggested, he has said it was said your chef free SHS near saying your power. So no about power. Send this about power or be review no. I should send your money ye. Na Pälmer-Buckle or Ghana or Ghana sorry them catch Mahama about them. One kind of one no but the big one and stress was one country Ghana for say. Dear Mahama can nyansa because Mahama is see schools no or nyansa or this is schools into mummy sa no can nyansa way or any chest or so toilet. Oh Uzbekistan for Boasi Jum. I bet now say review, say cancel. And the Pälmer-Buckle say young cancel free SHS no. As one Mahama can we before election 2020. Yen United na TV so na Facebook edidi na tem. Bogus and kwasiaphobia omotete Äbroäd Germany phobia. Almost sing rough imperifo yankura because Ghana yankurasifo. What Äbroäd 15 years was say I say one na dobe sin. Na kwasia bia ni tisa bosomba. Omotete Massachusetts. Kwasiafo the same thing. Their job is to misinform eye omo so agimi te se omo ano enti we sit here na sa nkwasiafo weti abrochire say bogus na mo ye bogus mo nkotena Ghana se mo nim nyansa mbeboa ekufu ado aban na mo ntu nkotena Ghana mo ti abrochire mo twitwi toilet so enso toilet na mo twitwi so no mo live better life chen mo busu apanyini omo tantan se de mo act Chinese film mo ti abrochire social media defend nkwasi aban say mo jimintra mo nim nyansa and ahokyere wo fie na ndisi fo nkwa na ebre na impelifo nka mabetena abrochire kakra twitwi toilet ma check kakra toilet abogu ma no ho ebiti Massachusetts omo ti se boso mo ma kwase ebiti Holland o se Germany ne siase asa pay wala for junso ho tan we mo titi social media e misinform public emwa na Ghana ya mo ti abrochire di pa ye den senior slaves se Ghana ya mo ti abrochire di pa ye den monkonko enkoka na monkoye ambassadors enche Ghana for say mo agimi for mo abrochire mo se ekufu ado aban nja mo so mra Ghana ba mo de mwa ene mu jimi mo tantan ti abrochire e misinform and dem krom for na ebre and the omo amoka sachiro mo ba Facebook megu ase ne nkwasiafo no omo busuafo na ebre adana mo jimi saa adana mo ma mo honte adana mo jimi no adokrolization abem adana mo yankwasiafo saa boy bi ti Canada ne ho fin bi 2020 ye payment but damn ni psychological just say pathetic or no ni rape cases or Canada crampo yenka aban building mu no daw aban the tua the rent man low income housing mu no da not social media catch Ghana for say montum ekufuado beto over 1,500 houses I was seglebegu pro na wo bro ni chi wo hye kagim na de bia oma akatie bi ebetwa ne togu so a why mistake mo jimi dodo mo jimi out to the point say me humu so nipa api wala mbema ne tse mo jimi ama de na mo pagi wasasi so mo nyina mo ji social media jimi no John Mahama na nanswa it is more expensive than you people and your families. He is more intelligent. Mo de some yamwa me de ahofo be mkura Maloa Mahama. Mo these dada pintos and you these Don Patrons mu gu abrochire kwasi ade ne tribe. Hwa ho kire wo Ghana ne. Enko eni Pama o de ti orege na mu wi no anu na betuma boa